So today I got this in the mail. It is a full frame sensor cleaning kit. If you notice in some of our other videos, there is a lot of stuff on the sensor of my full frame. And today I'm gonna try and clean it without destroying my camera fully. First time I've ever done this. I'm gonna see if I can teach you guys, maybe if I figure it out how. So let's go to overhead view and see how to do it. All right, so here's the overhead view. Let's see what's in the box. Okay, so right in the middle, it comes with some solvent, sensor cleaner, 0.5 ounces, and then a ton of different swabs. So let's read the instructions real quick so I don't completely destroy my camera. I have seen a couple of videos on this before. Take a cleaning swab, maybe clean, and form 60 angle. So it says to do it once dry and then once with solvent. So I'm gonna angle this into the light. Dang, I'm super nervous. If this destroys my camera, I'm gonna kill. Okay, it says if the pieces of dust don't come off, then wet the swab 1 to 2 drops and do it again. So I'm gonna do that real quick. Okay, I can't tell if this needs to be opened or not. Definitely does. So I'm gonna poke a hole in the top. Oh, that was stupid. It was just the cover. So 1 to 2 drops it says. 1, 2. Okay, there we go. Drops are on. Angle it into the light so I can actually see what I'm doing. I'm shaking. You can see my hand is shaking, so this is really scary. That definitely got it all off. That was, holy crap. That was incredibly scary. You can see it's cleaner now. Oh my gosh, okay. My heart is beating so fast. It comes with a ton of this, so if this ever happens again, if it ever gets dirty again, which it most likely will, I'll have a lot more on hand because of how much it came with. So I'm gonna cover this back up and take a few pics just to make sure it's still working. Everything is still working on my camera. That was nerve-wracking. That was very nerve-wracking, but it worked. And it was actually really easy, so now I won't be scared doing this ever again. Now I'm gonna go back to down here. So that's how you clean your sensor. I will link this kit down below in the description. It's actually super nice. Recommend this to any filmmaker that doesn't want to pay $100 to get it cleaned at a store. So yeah, if you thought this video was helpful, consider sharing it with a friend who would also need it. That would really help. Commenting always helps too. And just like and subscribe. See you next time, and which is tomorrow. In fact, see you tomorrow.